Welcome to our Adventure Miles.
Welcome to Rhodes, the beautiful little town. We arrived here last night. It was too late to do anything. We just went to bed. We woke up today. We're having a lunch just before we head over to the ferry to Fethiye. But we had a chance to walk around this morning, and I'm actually loving Rhodes. We've talked about it. We probably will be coming back sometime in the future. So we'll show you a little bit of Rhodes before we hit the ferry.
It is room tour day and we are in Fethiye, Turkey. So we're here for 22 days and we'll show you the room. As soon as you enter the front door, you'll see the dining room table here. And then right beside it is the couch. Has lots of space for us to just relax and chill. Opposite of the living room is the kitchen.
It does have a fridge, stovetop, kettle.
Yeah, and we want to try a lot of turkey dishes while we're here, so not too sure how much cooking I am going to be doing. Right. Off the kitchen area is a bathroom.
And it's got a nice big stand-up shower, which is great.
And then off that is the bedroom.
Nice king-size bed with 2 end tables.
Ample storage on both sides. Lots of storage areas. We haven't unpacked quite yet, so no. We just arrived.
Outdoor patio. Look at the view. Overlooking our 2 pools for the unit. And there's the beach. So this is the restaurant from the beach side. So you can see our resorts right there. And that's the restaurant we ate at the first night we arrived. And just down this street is entry to our beach. So this is Chalice Beach. And there you go. We have a nice little pool bar / restaurant right on here. There you go. Welcome to Chalice Beach. We are literally less than 100 meters. So this is a restaurant we ate at our very first night. It's newly built, apparently this year. And then you look out and there's the pool. And literally our unit is that guy right there. Really nice grounds. And another pool. We're here on the promenade in Chalice Beach. But just take a look at this view. Check out the promenade. And there's Sue. And our unit is about 500 meters that way. It's fantastic.
If you liked the video, please subscribe and hit that like button. Thanks for watching.